Prophet ﷺ, when he came to hear of three men who decided that they will worship Allah in a different way. One of them said, I will pray all night and I will not sleep. And the second said, I will fast and I will never break it. And the third said, I do not marry women. And when the Prophet ﷺ heard of this bid'ah, this innovation, he summoned them. He said, أَنْتُمُ الَّذِينَ قُلْتُمْ كَذَا وَكَذَا. Were you the ones who said such and such? He said, أَمَا وَاللَّهِ إِنِّي لَأَخْشَاكُمْ لِلَّهِ وَأَتْقَاكُمْ لَهُ. I swear by Allah, no one fears Allah Almighty more than me. وَلَكِنِّي أُصَلِّي وَأَرْقُدْ وَأَصُومُ وَأُفْطِرْ وَأَتَزَوَّجُ النِّسَاء فَمَنْ رَغِبَ عَنْ سُنَّتِي فَلَيْسَ مِنِّي. He said, as for me, I pray and I sleep. And I fast and I break it. And I also marry women. So whoever turns away from my way is not to consider himself from one of us. So, ittiba', conformity to the prophetic way, is found in the institution of marriage.